Git basic commands explained. 1. What are Git commands? Git commands are instructions you give to Git to manage your code. They help you track changes, save versions, move between branches, sync with GitHub. Why? Git commands control how Git works. 2. Git init creates a new Git repository. Use when starting a new project. Command Git init. Result: Git starts tracking the folder. Why? Turns a normal folder into a Git repo. 3. Git status shows the current state of your project. It tells you which files changed, which files are staged, which files are untracked. Command Git status. Why? Helps you understand what Git sees. 4. Git add stages your changes, prepares them for commit. Command Git add, meaning add all changed files to staging area. Why? Selects what will be saved in the next commit. 5. Git commit saves a snapshot of staged changes. Command Git commit message. Example message: add login feature. Why? Creates a permanent record of changes. 6. Git log shows commit history. It displays commit ID, author, date, message. Command Git log. Why? Lets you see project history. 7. Git branch shows and manages branches. Commands Git branch means list branches. Git branch dev means create branch. Why? Lets you work on multiple versions. 8. Git checkout, Git switch moves between branches. Commands Git checkout dev. Git switch dev. Why? Change working version of your code. 9. Git merge combines branches. Use when feature is finished. Command Git merge dev. Why? Brings feature code into main branch. 10. Git clone copies a repository from GitHub to your computer. Command Git clone URL. Why? Download project from GitHub. 11. Git pull gets latest changes from GitHub. Command Git pull. Why? Keeps your local code updated. 12. Git push uploads your changes to GitHub. Command Git push. Why? Shares your code with others. In simple words, Git init equals start repo. Git status equals check changes. Git add equals stage files. Git commit equals save snapshot. Git branch equals manage versions. Git merge equals combine work. Git clone equals download repo. Git pull equals get updates. Git push equals upload code. Git commands equals control your project. GitHub equals store and share your project.